So there you are, eager to know how to install a fully functional WhatsApp on your SIMless tablet PC. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with it. To install WhatsApp and have it fully functional on your tablet, which is SIMless, you got to have two installation APK files. First one is obviously your WhatsApp, and the second one is a contact manager. Picking up a contact manager is a matter of personal choice. For us, it is Go Contacts. So the purpose behind installing a contact manager is WhatsApp takes its all needed contacts from the default phone book of the device. But since this device is a SIMless device, from the factory side there was no provision of keeping a default phone book. So all we are going to do here is use this Go Contacts and give this device its own default phone book. Once you are done with the installation of the contact manager, you are now ready to install WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is also ready on your device, move back to the menu option and look for the WhatsApp icon. So there it is. So this is the welcome screen which WhatsApp offers, stating what is it exactly, and it also gives you an option to read the terms and conditions, which you actually have to agree and continue. Now you have to choose the country, the phone number which you want to register with the WhatsApp. This process will take a while. Once it is done, WhatsApp will send a message on your registered phone number giving a verification 6-digit code. But in case the SMS verification fails, you also have this option to call them and receive the 6-digit code in a voice message, of course on your registered number. So this is how they call you, and it will have nothing but an auto-generated voice message which will speak the 6-digit verification code for you. Now enter the 6-digit code, press the done option. It will verify for a while, and it's done then. Since we have used the same number previously, it shows a message that they have the option to create the message backup from the past, but we choose to not to restore. Then this is the screen which you will be getting if you are registering the number for the first time. It will ask for the username which you will be using with this number. You can anytime change it later on. Then it gives you a message that the WhatsApp is for free for the first year, but afterwards you got to pay rupees 55 or keep it general $1 per year. Continue. Now you get the actual welcome screen from the WhatsApp chat. Press on the right hand side icon, the above icon. You'll get all the contacts which are there in your WhatsApp contact list. We see only 3 contacts. Now if you want to add more contacts, we got to take the help of the contact manager which we have installed, which is none other than the Go Contacts EX for us. This is where we'll add the new contact, and while we'll be adding the contact, we have to make sure that that contact number is registered with WhatsApp. Then only this number will be taken by the WhatsApp contact list. Otherwise the number will stay in this phone book and will be of no use to us. So make sure you are adding only those numbers which you want to use to send WhatsApp messages. Because obviously the purpose of this phone book was to help get a fully functional WhatsApp, and since this is a SIMless device, we don't have any other usage with this. You see, we have entered one number, one contact information in this contact manager. Since we have WhatsApp already installed on this device, the WhatsApp synchronizes with this default contact manager and that is the reason why we saw that WhatsApp icon in front of that phone number, which is a proof that it is there. The WhatsApp messaging is there for this number. Now let's see the real WhatsApp messaging. It's the same usual messaging which you have been doing since ages, so I don't think I need to explain anything on that. But the only thing you have to concentrate here is the addition of this new entry in this contact list, WhatsApp contact list, which is possible only because of the contact manager which we have installed. So without which you wouldn't have been able to send any new message to any new contact. So this is it. I guess you all got the motive. So see you all in some other informative videos related to tablets. Take care. Bye.